This is frog spawn slime. Comes in a nice little petri dish. You have some information on the back there. Obviously, don't eat this item, do not put it in your mouth. It's by www.orbowls.com. So, on the front, you can see the slime within the petri dish, and there's a little frog inside. So, at the touch, it feels like hair gel that you used to get in jars. The little bits inside are made of silicone gel beads, and inside you can see the frog inside. So let's just dump this out onto my hand. Okay, it's very gooey. As you imagine, it's very sticky. I'm not very keen on the texture. I'm more of a putty person, but I can see the appeal, especially for younger kids. The consistency is quite good. It's not runny, but you are going to get little bits that come off in your hand. My hand feels sort of damp to the touch. So that's the little frog that you get inside. For something, I would have liked this to have been more realistic as a frog, I would have thought. But he's cute, quite stretchy as well. So all in all, the frog spawn slime is not a bad little stocking filler or a party bag filler. Would I use this again as a stress relief toy? Probably not, but my nephew D'Angelo will surely like this.